So let's look at the overall health benefits of Reiki. Before we begin looking at the overall health benefits of Reiki, I think it's important to mention that Usui's students say that Usui-Do was really focused on spiritual development, not so much on the physical benefits. When it passed over to us into the Western world, it was passed on through Dr. Hayashi, and therefore because he was focused on the healing benefits, that seems to be our main focus in Reiki, and of course it definitely is a benefit, but it's not meant to be the main focus of studying Reiki. So to keep that in mind when we're looking at the overall health benefits. And in this lecture we're going to be looking at how Reiki has been studied and researched in scientific studies and the overall outcome of that. So let's have a look at first how Reiki affects stress. Reiki reduces stress and its symptoms. Stress is a natural response that occurs when you're feeling threatened or overwhelmed, and that often happens in today's society. In fact, stress is known as the disease of the century. Now, Reiki helps reduce the symptoms of stress. So what are these physical symptoms of stress? Well, it includes a weakened immune system, heart disorders, ulcers, depression, insomnia, constipation, exhaustion, headaches, tight muscles, and so on. And I'm sure you're aware of some physical symptoms of stress you may have experienced in the past. So stress has major impact on your overall physical and mental health. And your ability to cope with stress is determined from your past experiences. But you have a choice of how you react to stress. And the best way to reduce stress and its symptoms is to apply techniques in your daily routine to reduce the effects of stress. And Reiki is, of course, great for this. One of the greatest benefits from receiving or even giving yourself Reiki is stress reduction. Reiki brings a state of peace to your mind. Your thoughts melt away, leaving your physical body completely relaxed and stress-free. And of course, then you've got the health benefits, because with reduced stress, you have reduced stress symptoms. So don't wait for the stress to affect your mental and physical health. Get active with Reiki every day. So how do we know that Reiki is effective in healing? Well, Reiki has been proven in scientific studies. In one particular study by Dressen and Singh, states that Reiki is an effective modality for reducing pain, depression, and anxiety. And yet in another study, anxiety was shown to reduce after Reiki treatments. And furthermore, another study has shown that hands-on and distant Reiki treatments resulted in statistically significant decrease in the symptoms of psychological depression and self-perceived stress. But Reiki has been researched in many different scientific studies. It has been tested on cancer patients, for the treatment of fibromyalgia, acute coronary syndrome, depression, Alzheimer's, dementia, multiple sclerosis, drug and alcohol rehabilitation, AIDS, and so on. I have prepared a handout for you that's called Reiki and Research, and in that handout is a list of some scientific studies so you can research this further yourself. But even nurses have seen firsthand that Reiki sessions cause patients to heal faster with less pain. Reiki accelerates recovery from surgery, improves mental attitude, and reduces the negative effects of medication and other medical procedures. So nurses say that Reiki is effective in healing. And in fact, due to all the scientific research that have proven Reiki's effectiveness, hospitals, doctors, and nurses have taken Reiki on board in their hospitals and clinics. The Center for Reiki Research website lists about 70 institutions that include Reiki because it's becoming known as effective and cost-reducing method to improve health outcomes and quality of care. So Reiki is becoming more acceptable in mainstream. Now, it's my belief, and I'm sure many people agree, that Reiki increases positivity. Positivity in the form of peace and serenity. When you receive Reiki, you're feeling peace and serenity. And there are many benefits in scientific studies that have proven that when you increase your positivity ratio higher than negativity, there are many health benefits. Okay, so just to give you an idea of the health benefits of increasing positivity, the research says that a higher positivity ratio will relieve stress, reduce pain, lowers blood pressure and heart problems, increases immune system functioning, reduces colds and flus, melts away muscle tension, opens up the mind to new ideas and possibilities, grows resilience, boosts confidence and motivation, raises energy levels and improves sleep. And people high on positivity may even have a longer life. So it is my belief that Reiki increases positivity in the form of peace and serenity. And of course then what comes along with that are the different health benefits. So in summing up, I'm sure you'll agree with me at this stage that, the saying is an apple a day keeps the doctor away. Well, the more you do Reiki, I believe it does the exact same thing. Reiki has been proven in scientific studies to be beneficial for the overall health and well-being. It reduces stress and the symptoms of stress. It increases positivity, which in turn increases health and well-being. There are many benefits to Reiki. So the idea is then to use Reiki every day, and Reiki is something I use every day for my overall health and well-being, even if it is just 5 minutes with my hands on my stomach and really relaxing to the flow of the Reiki energy is absolutely blissful. The power of Reiki is in your hands. Reiki can be used at any time, anywhere, to increase relaxation and peace of mind, to reduce stress and anxiety, and to increase focus and energy. Absolutely amazing and very easy to use because, of course, you have your hands with you everywhere you go.